What the fuck do I say in a channel intro? Like, hey, I'm Cloud. Like, that just sounds stupid. Like, it doesn't, you know what I'm saying?
Just do clout.
No, it's a horrible idea. All right. Thanks for your help. Okay, I'm Cloud. I trade futures, index futures. I'm trying to be profitable right now. I have some funded accounts. I'm really working on my consistency right now. And I'm just making this channel because I feel like I want to put myself out there, see if I can garner a little following. I think that'd be really cool. Make a little community, you know, whatever. I'm not trying to really put myself out there as like an educator right now because I don't think I have the experience for that. I've only been trading futures for like what, almost like 6.5 months right now. So it really hasn't been any time at all. I have a long way to go, but I'm okay with that. I think this shit's really interesting. I find a lot of enjoyment in doing it. And if y'all have any feedback, just let me know. Like if you have more experience than me, I'm always open to learning. And yeah, bro, fucking, I don't want to just yap about this bullshit. I don't really, man, it's not that serious, bro. Like just watch the fucking video. Okay. All right, so this is going to be my weekly analysis for the week of June 24th through the 29th. I haven't looked at the charts at all before doing this or like taking any type of notes. So I'm gonna just freestyle this shit, I guess. So yeah, let me know if y'all have anything to say about this. If you think my analysis sucks, let me know. But Benny, anyways, going out of this week, got this big wick here. It's like a 2% wick. So we ran up a good amount, popped right back off of this 2.0 level. So we're running on all-time high right now, and you know, you never really should short the bull in this case. Like I'm not trying to predict a reversal. I mean, this kind of candle signature right here with this this strong body up, and then we get like a little wick out here. That looks a lot like that price signature is very tradable a lot of the times. Like if you get like that price signature on a 1-minute chart out of consolidation, you're looking at a nice reversal. But like kind of like this, but this isn't consolidation. Like this is just, I mean, I guess you could call this a little bit of sideways movement. We get like a huge pop back up here. Like I could see a strong red body, honestly. Like I could see it happening, but I'm not going to try to predict that. I did some analysis on previous all-time high runs, like protracted moves, kind of like these. Like go to daily chart, 'cause that's what this is on too. So like just really extended runs, breaking out of this consolidation here, or like the top of this range here, and just popping right up. And we've only gone, I say only, 8% out of the upper bound of the little consolidation run down, the retracement. And on previous like sustained all-time high runs, we've had like a 10% here and a 22%. That was a long time ago. These are both like back. This is 2020. This is 2019, and these both blew past the 3 level on the retracement. This one went all the way up to 4 before dumping, but this was COVID dump, so. I mean, it's kind of hard to reference that one historically, but this one was a more normal scenario where we kind of stopped in this like 3 range and then we dumped back down. So if you just look at history and like the percentages, like, I mean, this run like feels insane as it's happening. Like we just get a fucking 350 point gap and then just pop up 3 or 4% the next couple days. Like it feels ridiculous, but historically speaking, this isn't actually too insane. Like I feel like we can definitely keep going up. Like we've got this fair value gap here. We kind of filled it in. Over the last couple of days, the bodies have respected the lower threshold. Yeah, I mean, there's literally nothing to suggest that the momentum is dying. Like we've got a couple red days, but we haven't inversed this fair value gap. Like on the weekly candle, all it was a wick. Like, and this is still a green close. Like we could easily even see, like, we could just fucking push, honestly, bro. I don't know why does my shit squiggly like that? Whatever. I can see, honestly, I feel like a red week down to a little retracement. Why is my little retracement, boom, and then we can pop back up. That would be like, I don't know. I'd like to see that, but there's no way to actually predict that happen. Like, and if you look at it, the one thing that I do have in terms of bear case for the next week is this E-mini S&P, relatively speaking, is lagging a lot behind NQ. Like NQ got all the way up to 2, and ES is like barely past 1. Like we've only like a couple candles past 1. We're like kind of in this 50% range here. But ES did close a lot more green on the last week, and on the daily, the red days were a lot less pronounced. Like if you go for a fib, between here. Like, see, we left the mean threshold. We tapped it, and then we popped back up. The bodies are up in this upper half. So this like, if you just zoom in on this little section of price action, this is bullish. Like, we want to see, like, we just filled in this gap. Now we want to see this high taking. Like, that's over the next couple days. I think we probably push past this high. So yeah, I'm feeling bullish as fuck on this week, bro. Like, there's literally nothing to suggest otherwise. And like, if we go Forex Factory, I haven't even looked at this shit yet. 10 a.m. consumer confidence, that might not be super high impact. Wednesday, we don't have shit. Thursday, 8:30 is going to be a big candle. Like, the structure here, we kind of created this balanced price range, a little extended, I guess, but technically speaking, we have a gap up and a gap down, but we didn't really break past this gap down. So this just looks like manipulation, honestly. I think this was corresponded with news too, if I'm not insane. Oh no, I remember we had small news and then we had this huge expansion. That was the day we had really nice delivery. I didn't catch any of it because I was fucking about like the first little bit. But yeah, this is just manipulation to me, honestly. This little rundown, we have a little consolidation Friday. Price action was pretty shit. This to me is just manipulation, and I think these gaps can easily get punched through, targeting this high up here. Like, we have this order block down here, 4-hour order block that got respected nicely. Like, check out the fib. Bodies are respecting the mean threshold. We popped back up pretty strongly here, so I can definitely see like something like this. Like, we get like a boom, boom, boom. But I think we probably push back up here, see a little bit of resistance here, come back down, and then we're popping back up. But we could probably stop at this low, honestly, for that retracement of the fair value gap. Probably stop at that low, get a little rejection down. Like, this will become a breaker right here, this green candle. So what I'm expecting is probably like a push back up, creating this breaker block here. We'll push back up, we'll probably pretty strongly through here, and then we can tap back down into this level after touching this. So it'll be like a little boom, boom, boom kind of thing. I don't think these gaps are sustainable. I mean, E-mini S&P is more the same. Like, we have this gap here. Mean threshold is respected very nicely. This little 4-hour gap, actually, it's a much better picture, I think. Yeah, I think it's probably more the same. We just completely left behind all this range. We haven't even gotten close to retracing. Like, I don't think you can say this is bearish at all. Like, I'm not calling this a market structure shift because of this gap. If this gap wasn't here and this was like a shitty choppy little range up, and then we got this huge jump down, maybe this is a market structure shift, but not with this gap here. Like, this is just manipulation. So we've got some shorts trapped here, and now we're just gonna blow them out of the fucking water. That's my prediction, at least. I feel like even just like, if we take this high, then maybe we can go back down. I just don't think we go back down right now. Like, there's just no, like, we have to go back up first. We have to go back up, take this high. There's a little balanced price range here, but so maybe we even see resistance in this area. Yeah, I don't think there's much more to be said, honestly. I mean, DXY has been doing literally nothing. Like, at the beginning of the summer, I was using DXY as confluence. Like, we were like right around here, and I was saying, like, yeah, as a bullish case for NQ and them, I was like, maybe we go down and break this low, and we go break this, like, some low resistance liquidity type shit. And then it just literally has done nothing. Like, it kind of shifted up here, it's popped back up, and we've taken this high, but we're still in this breaker, and that's shown really strong resistance to price since like 2022. After taking this high, we're inside this order block here. I was right about this week, I guess. No, not really, because I said that the gap could be filled, and then we just fucking blew past it. Because this is like a little consolidation. I mean, I guess this is like the consolidation you see halfway up a run, though. You know what I mean? Like we get like a protracted run, a little consolidation first, and then we keep going. Like, so if we consider this little consolidation here, like, because this is bullish. We already established that this little pattern right here is bullish. That's manipulation. If we consider that this is the first half of a run, let's pick this low, draw a mean threshold here. if this is the consolidation halfway through this run, I think we can easily see like 21,800, like all the way up to this three mark level here. Because like if like we've got this run here, and we consolidated right around mean threshold and pushed all the way up to this 2.0 level, right when we hit the 1.0 level of. So I think, yeah, I actually think that pushing up to level 3, in this retracement over the next couple weeks is probably pretty reasonable. Like, it feels insane. It feels like we've left so much behind here that needs to be taken care of, but no, I think we could probably just fucking blow out all of this. Just go into completely new territory here. Yeah, that's about all I have to say, I think. I mean, it's weekly analysis, bro. It's not that serious. Like, it's you put this in your journal, it's like a fucking page and a half, 2 pages of screenshots and shit. Like, this is not that serious. Let me draw some lines. See if I get this shit. A little. Here. Ow. Maybe we see some. I'm gonna get this shit right. I want it to be funny. Boom. And then we're gonna chill out up here. This is my plan. We're probably gonna see another hesitation. Like if we draw a fib, let's say this is the start of the second run. We'll probably, like, even before, like, we'd probably see something more like this, where like we get this first little chop pullback like halfway up, and then we consider that low to be the low of the run. Then I think we go boom, get a little pullback here, probably to this, like, there's an order block somewhere in here. Then we're gonna go boom, and then we're gonna consolidate a little bit, boom. We're gonna blow out number 3. That's probably what we're looking at. I say that's pretty fucking reasonable. And like the S&P, probably the same thing. I mean, yeah, if we do the same kind of logic with this consolidation halfway up, we're looking at least halfway into 2, which is like the same relative. It's the same relative difference on NQ. Like, there's a relative gap here, like 3%, and there's a relative gap here of like 3%. So I think that's probably pretty reasonable. We could probably say like 5,800 to 5,900 for E-mini as the top of this run. And then I think we'll probably see something interesting. But for now, bro, we're just fucking full point longs every session. I think we should be all right. Yeah. All right. That's it. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all think I'm a fucking idiot, please let me know in the comments. That would be great. I'm always trying to learn. I haven't taken out a fucking payout yet, so I'm still a fraud. I'm funded, but I'm a fraud. So yeah, if y'all have any feedback, just fucking let me know.